I already started to do some of them already, but I did them on live stream, so now I wanted to go ahead and get a video going where I can actually, you know, get some cuts in, you know, in case the video was too long, for example. And the video quality is a lot better, so let's just go ahead and get started. Get rid of all these keycaps that I will not need. Somebody in the comment section told me that when pulling one of these keycaps out, not to what's it called, not to jiggle it too much, because obviously I could damage the switches. So I've taken that advice and I am going to try not to do it. Hopefully I don't, you know, and if I do, I can catch myself doing it. I kept it all black here. When I did the, I'll try to get a picture on the screen, maybe you guys can see how I had it before, where I had all of this blue. And then I kept all of this still with the original keycaps, just because I wanted to actually see what every keycap was. And then these old keys that I was using, obviously they were blank, so it would be a little harder to, you know what I was typing. So that's why I kept that black. I expect these keycaps to look a lot better. Look and feel a lot better than these ones, because these ones were Amazon keycaps and these are actually official Ducky keycaps. So I expect them to look a lot better and feel better, of course. They feel like a lot, yeah, they definitely feel a lot better. I really like how this is coming out. This, ever since I saw the this keycap set, the Joker keycap set, I've wanted it, and I don't think I mentioned this in this video so far, but I waited since January for these. I've waited a very long time for these, and I'm finally happy they're in. Now this is the first time also that I'm changing these right here. I've never actually done these. It's the first time ever. Also, the packaging for these, I thought the packaging would have been a little different, but they kind of just threw them in a bag, like in this bag right here. And I mean, which I guess is fine, right? Just took me a little longer to figure out to organize them, I guess. Not too big of a deal, but I thought they might have come in like a plastic already organized packaging or something like that. I mean, it's still, like, it's not a big deal. It's all right. Now these I'm definitely gonna do one at a time, just because I don't wanna get lost in anything. Eventually down the road, I'm going to try to like mix and match different keycap set, because I have so many keycaps that it's ridiculous. I have different colors. I have white. I got a different shade of purple. I got this blue, and then I got black, and I got this keycap set now, the Joker keycap. So eventually I might mix and match. When I first started doing like the keycap switches, I would try to like do like kind of like this, kind of try to line it up and visually see that it's straight. But honestly, if you just place it on top and you kind of just try to move it around so that you can feel that it kind of, you know, settles in, then you can just kind of push it in and it'll go in. So that's what I love about that. Where's my S? I love the feeling of what it feels like when you like place the keycap on and you start pushing down. It feels so satisfying. It's kind of weird, I know, but then again, I am a weirdo that spends a lot of money on keycaps, right? See, almost done. This is the last row, and then we're done. Well, I forgot those two, so I'll get those after. It's looking good. Looks nice. And then we got these keys up here. This one goes over here. My tab key. Perfect. And that's it. That took us, I would say, 30 minutes. I mean, I did 30 minutes on stream already, but let me see if I can get, hopefully you guys can see that on the phone. I'm not sure if that looks straight or not. I'm just guessing, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks really, really nice. Feels really good. Feels really good. Let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it looks like with the, oh, it looks nice. Looks sick. But let me know what you guys think of this in the comments section down below. Let me know if you guys want to see any more keycap videos, because I have way more keycaps. And I can definitely get that up for you guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.